I'm NutriD on Essential Oils, Part 2. Thanks for joining us. The company I'm working with and that I'm partnering with is called MPL Group, Motivating People for Healthy Lifestyles. Thanks again, Laura Kay from Young Living joining us for Part 2. I want to simplistically talk about what we can do to get some of the chemicals out of our homes and get these wonderful medicinal essential oils into the medicine cabinets of everyone across the world, really. First off, when I'm working with my clients on the pensive scale, the physical, emotional, nutritional, and if you're looking at a pyramid, that N, cascade, affects everything, but physical, emotional, nutritional, spiritual, and financial, I look and see what kind of chemicals that we can eliminate pretty rapidly through our 90-day program at mplgroup.org, and one of which is fluoride in the toothpaste. Fluoride is not okay. Most people have the deleterious effects on the body far outweigh any cavities, and you can, looking back all of this up on the internet, you can look at the research, and the research shows that it does not prevent cavities. So the first thing I do is get some of this wonderful toothpaste from the Thieves line from D. Gary Young into my clients and my own home. Of course, have to start with yourself, take care of yourself first. And then the second thing I do is I get all the hand soaps and household cleaners. And I want a little background on Thieves. Can you give us a quick summation? We have two types of essential oils, first of all, that I want to be real clear on. We've got blends that do synergistic medicinal things just like our whole foods do. And then we have singles, so of course lavender and lemon, that's one plant. Laura, tell us a little more about Thieves and what that means.
Thieves is the most amazing blend. What Gary Young does is he goes back in history and finds wonderful stories, medical stories, but nutritional medicine stories essentially. So Thieves was developed based on the time of the Black Plague, when there were people who were robbing or essentially burglarizing people's homes. This band of thieves was going into people's homes, and they were burglarizing the homes while they were in the houses. And this was an airborne virus. So they were wearing an aromatic necklace, essentially, of various plants. And that's where Thieves comes from. Eucalyptus, rosemary, cinnamon bark, clove, and then citrus came later from China. What we love about Thieves is it is essentially our antibiotic. Although I don't like to call it an antibiotic, because what's wonderful about Thieves is it's both antibacterial and it's antiviral.
Now, antifungal as well, correct?
It's many other antis.
I love it.
I like to focus on the antibacterial and the antiviral in the sense that when you're taking an antibiotic, it is killing your flora. It is essentially ruining your gut. So the next thing we know when we're taking antibiotics is we might heal we might mask what's happening, but the next thing we know, we have something else that we're now dealing with. Women now find themselves with bladder infections, yeast infections, and they might still be sick because it might be that they had a viral infection versus a bacterial infection.
So what I'm hearing you say is that, and I've been using Thieves for many years, is that we can ingest this completely naturally, and then we've made toothpaste blends and household cleaner. I actually use this for amazing situations. And you know, poison oak, anything, but I actually put a capful. It's so concentrated. I wash my clothes in it, I wash the dishes in it. Extremely concentrated. Laura's likes to take it orally, so do I. I also use the foaming hand soap, and this is just another way to actually change your health of your family and reduce formaldehydes and chemicals and all different types of things. And then the internal effects. When you take an antibiotic, you're destroying all the good stuff too. So you're not doing all those deleterious effects that we once thought. We once believed that masking a symptom or treating the symptom instead of looking at the root cause and working with our bodies to heal. So these products, you guys, I mean, and not only that, the toothpaste is delicious. Even my kids love it.
What I love about the Thieves line in terms of cleaning your household with Thieves and cleaning your body and your mouth, your oral health, is it's absorbing into your bloodstream at a cellular level, just like the essential oils are doing. So you actually are helping to heal yourself, and you're focusing on wellness while you're cleaning your home versus using all those chemicals that are absorbing into our bloodstream at a cellular level.
I'll tell you,
Not
I'm a mother of
for you.
3. When I found out there was formaldehyde in some of my favorite cleansers and saw my dogs and my children on the ground, it really changed my life. And I thank Gary so much for his work getting these household cleaners together. And it's very economical. I want to shoot back over to essential oils and say that I think the simplest way to get started in your home is the Everyday Oils Essential 9 kit. And that includes 9 oils. So we've got some blends, but we don't even need to really go into that a lot. Just know that you would have a medicine kit and be able to use these in your water, use these orally, completely safely. You'd also be able to clean and have an actual medicine cabinet. Yep. All of our oils come with a wonderful book that discusses the properties, exactly what you can use them for, ingestion, etc. And I really want to say, keep it simple and you can't make a mistake. I have never been injured by these oils, only benefited. And so,
you keep your first aid kit with you everywhere you go.
Absolutely.
I have my 9 oils in here. I have a couple of oils in roll-on form, so I can put it right here at my brainstem. Frankincense is in this. Frankincense actually helps to release the natural serotonin and dopamine in the brain. So yes, I want to mention
usages.
One more thing about thieves is that it actually is the only substance on earth that has actually been proven to kill black mold, the Stachybotrys mold, in your home and in your body. We have mold in our body.
So just
sorry
like
to go back there.
Sure, just like yeast.
So
we all have yeast. All of our homes have molds and mildews.
Yep.
Keeping those things down so our bodies have more of an opportunity to heal, working with our bodies. Wow, I'm NutriD and I stand for that.
Yay.
Laura Kay, I
too.
stand for you. Now, if you are interested in supporting our mission, and I'm able to do what I do because of the people and the companies that support me. Not only do I recommend and share all of these wonderful products wholesale with the world, but it also keeps me able to do what I do, which is help others, to motivate them and inspire them for healthier living. You can order these products through the youngliving.org website, and please put in 1362801. My partner Debbie, if you're really into supporting the health of animals, because everything here affects our animals and our kids, please order under 1162116. And MPL Group, if you just would like to order under our general Motivating People for Healthy Lifestyles, our organization, you can order under 1378399. I'm Deidre, NutriD Belfiore. So glad you spent time sharing this information, and you share this information freely with others. Laura, you're such a blessing, and I'm so excited
you are as well.
to go out to the farms and continue to support companies promoting healthier lifestyles.
For sure. Thank you for having me. And yes, if this has spoken to you today, I support Deidre and her MPL company, and we are posting this online so that you know you have all the support you need for your family and your community's wellness, purpose, abundance, and vitality. So we are here to help you wherever you are in the world, in fact, through all of our various social media ways, Skyping, all that good stuff. So,
and we're, through the rules of homeopathy, all the healthy people are banding together and taking a stand. We're all voting with our dollars on everything that we choose to add to our lives, including food. And I'm choosing to take a stand for better health and cleaner communities. I'm NutriD. I come in peace. Visit us at mplgroup.org. Thanks, Laura Kay.
You're welcome. Thank you for having me.